We're at a Bradenton Dragstrip, February 25th, 2021. And opposite of last week, instead of a headwind, we've got a little bit of a tailwind. Just a light breeze, but at least it's behind us instead of in front of us. We got a good turnout of cars already here tonight early. I've seen at least 3 C8 Corvettes. The race tonight is going to be this brand new 2021 Toyota Supra 3.0. He's running 11s. We've run once before. Tonight I'm going to give him the move, and we'll see how it goes. Give the move to the Supra here.
Yeah, it looks like a long skinny car right there with your backwards headers and costing the driver now. All road, Sunday right here, Bradenton. What's going on?
So in that run against the Supra, we only crossed the finish line a few tenths of a second apart from each other. I gave him a head start of almost 7/10 of a second. You can see there on the reaction time I gave him the move. And in the end, you can see the ETs 10.8 to 12.1. But if you add in the reaction times, it's more like 11.9 to 12.3. So not that far apart. And 4 miles an hour difference.
Dragstrip here on the tower side. You got the headers on backwards. Ford Mustang may be fixed at rethink his choice of vehicles. When he looks over in a Tesla, probably going to be right there beside him.
Race tonight is this 911 Turbo. It's got some modifications, it's got a tune, should be running in the 10s. It's got big 305 T0s in the back. was a fun run against the Porsche 911 Turbo.
That was awesome.
Thanks for the race, man.
Yeah.
It was a decent reaction for your first pass.
Was it?
Yeah. Can I take a picture of your time slip?
Yeah.
You stuck right with me.
I started the
10-9, look at that.
I started the launch a little early, and I think it RPM'd out.
Well, that's dude, for your first pass, under 0.3 of a second, that's very respectable. You were anticipating it for sure. So I'm going to take a quick photo of this one alongside mine.
Sure.
You going to go ahead and make another pass?
Yeah, definitely.
That was a really fun pass against that 911 Turbo, 2014 with a couple mods, and he ran a 10.9, about 1/10.5 at the ET. So you can see he was coming on with a faster trap speed of almost 125 to my 123 miles an hour. Next race is the C5 Corvette with the ProCharger. He runs mid-10s. He's on these big Hoosiers back here. Looks like a full slick. There's a little bit of tread in there. This is going to be a rematch against the Corvette that I ran a couple weeks ago, and we both ran 10.7s, but I had unfortunately given him the move. He's got a ProCharger on this LS motor and he's running mid-10s, so it should be a good race. It could very well come down to the reaction time. You had the power. You were a little bit eager on that light, but you had the power, man.
It was just like we were talking about, wait around for an hour and then red light.
Yeah. Oh, that's a solid 10.6, man. 2/10 there. Fun race against the ProCharged Vette. He ran a 10.65 to my 10.814. But look at that mile an hour, 135 miles an hour to my 120. So he was really moving at the top. He red lighted just barely, a negative 0.02, and my reaction, not great but not horrible, 1/10 of a second there. So he was a good 3 cars ahead of me by the time we crossed that finish line. try cheetah mode here. Last race of the night is going to be against this Bentley.
Room to clean out the back door, 1008 at 147.
6-liter.
Twin turbo.
Trying to get
It's a
down there.
big
to
car with a lot of power.
990. Should go 990 at 146, 148, somewhere in there.
That's a W-12. It's like two turbo 3-liter V6s welded together. Dang.
That's kind of like